Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have this beautiful 2019 Harley-Davidson Sportster 48 1200. Has about 2,400 miles on it. Pristine condition, one owner, completely bone stock. Fresh oil change done to it. Comes with 2 keys. Good set of tires. Excellent condition for its year. Super low miles. 66 horsepower. Got some kick to it. Two keys. Really good condition motorcycle. 2415. Hear it? Healthy motor, shifts as it should. You can make her loud, of course. There's no flaw to be pinpointed on this thing. You're gonna enjoy it. If you're local, come check this out. We are here located at 572 West Taylor Road in Romeoville, Illinois. H&H Cycles. We are open Tuesday through Saturday. And for more details, visit us at hnhcycles.com, and thank you for watching.